When the days of his yearning has been taken away, that was where Job descended. He said, in the days that the rock poured me out oil, there were days like that. May that not be your testimony. There were days that you can tarry, and all the cries on your lips is, Lord, I just want to know you. Now you are bothered whether your ministry doors opened or not. The days are cold. Ask God, revive your works in the midst of the years. Bring my hunger back. Let the depths of burden cascade upon my heart. Drive me in to the secret place. Chain me to the altar. Don't allow me to come out until I become one with the cries of the heavens. Something so strong, something so deep and heavy that my generation